Hey guys, it's the weekend at the moment, and I've just popped into the unit. Not for anything particularly exciting. I'll actually show you on the mezzanine floor something in a minute. But I've come in to actually print some labels for my partner, and also while I'm here, Nakamura has been running hopefully pretty flawlessly. It just literally just doesn't. Let me show you something. It's been running all weekend. Not all weekend. All Friday night. And there's one thumb wheel in there. And I've seen them catch, and they spit out, and they land in the parts catcher, no problem. It's just that issue with the gap. Look, there's loads of thumb wheels down there. With that gap. So this one's got to be a fairly recent one. Oh dear. Sometimes the engraving goes really badly, and I have no idea why. So that one's crap. Let's see what else we got. That one's pretty recent. Oh, the engraving's terrible on that one as well. Okay. Don't normally get that many that have gone wrong. Let's see this one. Oh, this is not looking good, is it? So why is that? Why is the engraving so bad on these? They're all, oh dear. There's a lot, a hell of a lot that have got bad engraving here. Getting better. Oh dear. That's a lot of defects. Why? Why? Don't know. So, I come here, I'm going to feed it some more bars, and I will check. Might be to do a clamping pressure, possibly. Look at these. Oh, there we go, first one, that's good. Oh, so all of those are bad. Right. So, let's just check, let's have a little look. The clamping pressure is pretty, I mean, it shouldn't be a problem, but it is fairly low. So let's put it up to the 1, which is that megapascals? I don't really know. I assume, I say it says pound per inch, and then I always refer to this as PSI, but it's probably not PSI, is it? But that's the way I look at it. So I put it on 1. Let's load it some more bar. So, oh, hasn't even used the bar. What's going on here then? Why is it run out? Sometimes when the bars roll down here, they don't quite get loaded. What we've got is that little arm grabs the bar, but it's got to get it over that edge. Probably should switch to the smaller wedges really. Right, let's load one from the back. Right, okay. I don't know why this is. Liam's not loaded the right sleeves. I've made sleeves for this. They're literally, where are the sleeves? I say that. He has used the sleeves, but one's missing. Interesting. Okay, alright. So, reset. Cross slide. Auto, full retract. Oh, hang on, what's it not doing? What's it not doing? Oh, look, the bar fell down. There we go. I can actually get over. Okay. Yes, I'm still, I ordered the DJI mic system, and I should come on Monday, and then we'll have better audio from me. At the moment, obviously, the audio is not great, is it particularly? I want to do better. I managed to get it for 260. Oh, that one's good. £264. So I'll stop using ums and ahs. It is quite difficult. Right, refresh. Rewind. There we go. Right, so I think I've got it there now. Got those front wheel there's they're now coming out okay, so turning my handle pressure seems to solve the issue. I'll show you these hinges. Right, so as I say, I've just picked up this but this is how the design is. So it sits over like that, and then it's got a screw, it's got an M4 tap thread there, and an M4 thread there, and that holds together to keep that edge up. However, when we started doing it in aluminium, it changed the design. Actually, have three. That's actually mixed together. So the three equally spaced out makes so much more sense. Oh, and I lined up those letters as well. So you can see the letters there. E and M lined up the same way. So I also made it that it's exactly half. Because it was bugging me. I was literally like, I wanted it. So it's exactly half. So I'll show you what that end product looks like. So here we go. These are the ones that Max made the other day. As you can see, that's it. So that's with the, if I spin this round if I can, it's quite hard to spin around one half, it's actually quite heavy. Two front wheels matching on one side. We've got, there's still a bit of grease on there at the moment from silicone spray, so they've not been cleaned yet. 3 grub screw positions all the way around to keep everything in place, and it gives us the entire adjustability so that we can go all the way down and back in on ourselves, or we can go upwards if we want to, and we've got a rotational swivel so we can go, you know, left or right with it as well. So that's on a 400mm long rod, which is 300 plus 100 section, and then there's a 200mm ground rod that screws into the end of that to go in the ground, so it's meant to sit 400mm above ground. You could obviously go at 300 sections and go higher. We've gone 1200 before. It's been the tallest kind of rod we've done. There's the laser engraving there, Hudson Lighting, made in England. Very important, that. What I was saying about the holders, well, we've got a few more printed here. Annoyingly, the peruser keeps stopping right there and just leaving an indentation in this, but this is the spike hinge holder. We've got lens, and fun wheels as well. So I'm going to continue making stuff like this, and then it will really help neaten up our build process. So that's pretty much it from me. Next week I've got to teach with the London College of Garden Design, which should be fun. I've revised the whole new course. There's 36 pages of course content I've got to go down with. I've still got to do the presentation part of it. So you've got loads of information in the course content. You don't want to stick that up on the projector. It's not going to be very nice for people. So that's I've got to finish that on Wednesday, and then I'm actually teaching it on Thursday, and yeah, and then I get back to normal production really. We've got no pat on Monday, so that's going to cause a few issues with powder coat still. So if me and Max aren't on, so we're meant to pop to a site to go and deal with some bits and pieces that myself and Ricky, back when we used to run the electrical contractors, did a few years back, and it was a really lovely site, but there was a few early fittings that just didn't quite pan out very well. So I've offered to basically go up there personally and sort those out, just to keep the customer happy really. Which I don't go out on sites anymore. Occasionally Jordan, especially in the London area, if we ever get anything that's warranty, and we've done it actually in Manchester or Liverpool or somewhere like that. No, it was Birmingham, and a customer had fitted some halo lights, and it happened to be Jordan was up there doing sales anyway, and he was like, I will pop in there and go and do it for you, and help you out. So the zooms. So sorry, I stopped touching that. Yeah, so it's something that I hope that as we expand our sales team, we'll be able to help more people out doing that, because I think it's a service that our competitors just don't do, and I think it's great to have that extra support. Anyway, thanks all for sticking around, and we'll see you all later. Bye.